new update on fucking OFM, the market, etc. And we're going to include AI, obviously, because that's what we love. So we're going to crack out some stats here if you want to fucking read them, because you're the one that found them. But yeah, it's going to be a general episode just explaining what the crack is, and you're going to be surprised with some of these stats. So stick with us.
Yeah, quite a casual one today. Just going to bang out some stats just to reiterate the power that we have within the market right now with AI and OFM. So, to do with AI in 2022 was worth $142 billion. That's a lot of fucking money, obviously. However, the next year, 2023, it went up to $207 billion. That's a 45% increase in market.
Yeah, it's nuts. Absolutely
Crazy.
Nuts.
And it's predicted by the end of 2024 to be worth $300 billion, which is another 45% increase. So therefore, AI is increasing. Now the porn industry, 2022, $85 billion. 2023, $99 billion. And 2024 is predicted to go up to $105 billion. So again, another growing market. Now, where does OnlyFans kind of lie in that porn industry? OnlyFans revenue in 2022 was $6 billion. Now, there wasn't any statistics for 2023. I'm guessing that's still being calculated, etc. But once that does come out, I assume you can imagine the increase in revenue for OnlyFans. It's only growing. It's getting fucking huge. Everyone knows what OnlyFans is.
Exactly. And off the top of my head, I'm pretty sure OnlyFans, I saw the other week, it was 1 billion in 2021. So for it to increase that much in a short period of time, it just shows the trajectory of this fucking platform is going up. And that's why you see a lot of new competitors coming out, new platforms just popping up left, right, and centre. For example, 2021, I believe it was, FanView, that was launched. Now they're doing fucking Mega. It's probably one of the most advanced AI kind of porn platforms there is to this modern day. Obviously, feel free to comment any ones that are probably better than FanView, but they've got the AI chatbot, they've got AI models all over that platform, multiple other AI features that can be interpreted and are growing massively in the OFM space.
Yep. So we said about AI, we said about the porn industry. How do these actually correlate? Like, what relevance have we got in this? Well, if you know what the Pornhub 2023 Insights is, basically at the end of every year, Pornhub do a big wrap up of that year. You know, most popular porn stars on there, most popular categories, most popular searches, and the most popular search for 2023 was hentai. If you know what hentai is, it is basically cartoon porn.
Yeah, Google it, have a little look, and see how realistic it is. So all you lot saying, oh, AI doesn't look too realistic. One, it fucking does nowadays. You probably won't even realise it's AI. You're only seeing the shit AI, so you're like, oh, it's not realistic. Yeah, because I've done a shit job at it. And two, it's fucking hentai stuff.
It's literally cartoons.
Yeah.
So if blokes are wanking off to cartoons, imagine what is AI, which looks realistic.
Exactly.
Yeah. So AI and pornography will basically continue to grow at a rapid rate together, because that is the way the market is going.
So I'm going to bang out a philosophical quote from a little nerd that I found online. And his quote was, AI will never take over. It doesn't look real enough, and you can't make videos. Now, they're already fucking wrong, because if AI doesn't take over individually, there's already AI human hybrids. Now, I'm not talking about fucking got a computer arm or something retarded. What I'm on about is people using AI in their normal day-to-day life to become more efficient and get an advantage over the normal man. That's already here. So technically, it is already taken over, just alongside human assistants, hybrids.
And to expand on that point, AI models can do videos, and that video is only improving over time. So in a couple of years' time, we'll be able to see fully AI generated video that is in the porn industry.
So for the nerds that are chatting bollocks, get fucking facts correct.
Now, stats aside, it really doesn't take a genius to realise the potential with AI, especially with OnlyFans and other platforms as well. As we all know, men are getting weaker, porn use is increasing with men, and women are being told that, you know, OnlyFans is the route to go. It's the dumb thing. It's how you get successful as a woman nowadays.
Fucking retarded. Like, this society is on the decline as this is in the incline. So we're not promoting the use of porn. I think that's something that people get wrong with us. If anything, don't watch that shit. Me and him don't watch that shit. It's fucking disgusting, and you should try and avoid it. But obviously, if you want to take advantage of this massive growth in the industry, then jump on the fucking bandwagon because you're going to get a lot of money from it.
Yeah, exactly. Drug dealers don't get high off their own supply.
Like, even my parents are saying, oh, look at this, Toby, is this AI? And they're showing me some fucking picture that they found on Facebook, and I'm like, yes, it is. And they're like, see, oh, I knew it was, yeah. Someone's doing a shit job at generating this. And they scroll to the next thing, and it is an AI model, and they didn't even realise, because it just shows the two qualities. Now, if my parents are seeing this, which only just know how to work Facebook, imagine what the general youth is going to be absorbing online. Not fucking great, is it? So this is only going to expand and get bigger in the next few years.
So, as some of you may know, we were the first people to be going on about AI models and AI OFM on the internet. It's just a fact. Look it up. Try to prove us wrong. Whatever. So, if you're thinking that we just stumbled across this by accident and we don't know what we're fucking talking about, you're wrong. Everything's been calculated so far. A year ago, we were talking about this shit. No one knew about it. No one knows about it. We were the first people to fucking jump on it. So everything's calculated. We know what we're fucking talking about.
But as we said, because the market's growing so quickly, new technology and new people are jumping into this industry. So there's new investors, new people looking to conquer land and take over. Now, this is why we got to stay on the ball, because we've got to get the new information out as quick as possible. So stick along with us, and we're going to be trying to fucking keep at the absolute pinnacle of this industry. But new people coming along isn't always a bad thing. It means more investors, more money in the industry, and more possibilities for people like yourself, which may be looking to start off or already in the fucking industry. Now, I know chatters that are on 10k a week. Fucking fact. 10k a week just by being a chatter. So don't think that you have to jump into AI, OFM, or OFM in general. You can do many, many other things within this industry. Just do a little bit of research, maybe go look back on our page, find some things that you can do that can make a lot of money. Like a chatter, 10k a week.
Yeah.
Fucking nuts, mate. All they do is just talking to people. 10k a week. People, like 3 weeks, they would have got 30 grand. Pretty much the living wage in the UK. What the fuck? So if you wanted to do something like that, you can easily get amongst it. Obviously, I say easily. There's lots of opportunities that are about, and once again, the opportunities are getting more broad and more available, but you've got to be a good person. You've got to be a good bod. If you're shit at your job, which most people are nowadays, you're not going to get hired. So this is another prof or benefit on the industry. So obviously there's a lot of opportunities out there, like I've just mentioned. So if you want to get networking, it's probably a first step. So look for some free telegrams. We'll link 1 or 2 in the description below, just to go have a look, see what the community's like, discuss some events, things within the community, and get a better understanding of what is going on within the sex industry other than the information that we've told you today.
And if you do want to stay updated on the latest AI stuff, you want to get involved in AI OFM, we do sell a course. We do have a community within that course, which is the biggest community within AI OnlyFans space, and it has over 250 people now that are rapidly expanding in the space, finding the best new softwares, new technologies, and new methods to actually grow these AI models. So if that is something you want to get into, the course is extremely cheap. It'll be in the description. Get involved now.
Yeah, some of our students are starting to become the masters, and they're nearly overtaking us in their ability, but not quite yet. We're still on top. So let's do this fucking OFM shit together.